मेरा नाम साहिल अली अंसारी। मैं देहरादून में पढ़ता हूँ, ब्रास्ट अकेडमी। बुखार और पैर में दर्द होता है, सुई लगवाना पड़ता है। 2 साल से ब्लड कैंसर।
डॉक्टर ने ये बोला है हल्का सा तो दर्द रहेगा ही और हल्का सा इनकी हाइट नहीं बढ़ेगी और उतने ही रहेंगे।
मेरे अपने ब्लड सेल्स नहीं होते थे, जिसमें मुझे हर टाइम दूसरों के ब्लड्स पर डिपेंड रहना पड़ता था। हर 15 डेज़ बाद घर में टेंशन होती थी, ब्लड अरेंज करना, ब्लड चढ़वाना।
Genesis Foundation was started in 2001 with the sole motto to give life a chance. We felt that no child should have to die because of lack of funds. We wanted to be sure that when a child gets treated, he has a better chance at life.
साहिल को फीवर आया था। फीवर आने के बाद गांव में जैसे इलाज कराते हैं वैसे हम इसको इलाज कराए। इलाज कराए, इसको फीवर नहीं उतर रहा था। पूरे घर घबरा गया था। घबराने के बाद हम आए दिल्ली। डॉक्टर ने कहा 6 से 7 लाख रुपए खर्चे आएंगे।
We were looking at actually critical illnesses where unless the treatment is done, the child would die. We look at 5 areas, they being cancer, thalassemia, heart disorder, extreme deformity, and in case of organ failure, we help with medicines post-transplant. The critical factor was very important for us. So saying that if this is not done, then the child is going to die.
Our aim is to save life or also to provide intervention which is life altering and can really change the quality of life for a child.
A lot of these children actually have been very critical. They approach me or they approach the foundation and then we get together to finance their treatment.
We've identified areas where the costs are fairly high, but we find that life is very precious. No matter how rich or poor, a child is a child. It is a not-for-profit organization. We do a lot of fundraisers. We do that through very interactive, participative fundraising events, and all the money that we collect goes towards the medical intervention for these kids.
I find the organization is doing a great job and helping these children who probably would not make it if they're not treated.
I think the smile I see on the kids' face is the biggest motivation that I have, because I see kids before surgery and when I go to meet them after surgery, there's such a difference in the child.
I feel if we as a community can reach out and do our little bit, each of us contribute a bit, it could go, I mean, we've got to do it, you know, it's really saved that life.